See if this backup camera works. Nope, it don't work. Let's go figure it out. Take this thing off.
That's good news. Positive, encouraging kingdom. Here's we the kingdom, Jesus does.
Check that out. And the camera is right down there. Check that connection. That's going. Alright, let's see if that fixed it. Just a loose connection. Hallelujah. It was just a loose connection. 24,000 miles. I think it's just this loose flopping around here. I'm gonna put some zip ties, see if that helps. That ought to get it. Don't wiggle around no more. Now, time to put this thing back on. Well, I'll be good to go. Now let's see if it works. It'd be bad to put it all back together and it not work. Reverse. Oh yeah. Well, quick fix.